Did you know a single accident dispute can cost truck drivers thousands of dollars, even when the crash wasn't their fault? That's exactly why more truckers in 2026 are treating dash cams like essential safety equipment instead of optional gadgets. And honestly, with today's insane video quality, smart parking protection, and GPS tracking, it's easy to see why. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best dashboard cameras for truckers that can protect your rig, your cargo, and your driving record day and night. Some of these cameras focus on crystal clear night vision, others give you full 3-channel coverage, and one of them completely dominates the competition when it comes to overall performance. So make sure you stick around till the end because the number 1 pick might surprise you. And remember, all the links are in the description. Let's hit the road and get started. Number 5. We've got the Rove R2 4K dual dash cam front and rear, and this one is honestly one of the best value-packed options for truckers who want premium features without spending premium money. Right out of the box, Rove gives you a free 128 GB micro SD card, dual cameras, built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi, parking mode, and a super practical design, with both suction and adhesive mounts included. That's already more complete than a lot of competitors. During daytime driving, the Sony Starvis 2 sensor captures sharp footage with excellent detail, especially in the native 2K mode, which actually looks smoother and cleaner than its advertised 4K mode. Compared to the Redtiger models later in this list, the Rove feels slightly more beginner-friendly thanks to its flexible mounting options and easy setup. But when it comes to nighttime clarity, especially license plate readability, the Viofo A229 Plus definitely pulls ahead with stronger HDR processing. Still, for truckers looking for a reliable dual-camera setup that delivers excellent performance without hidden costs, the Rove is incredibly hard to beat for the price. And honestly, if you mainly do daytime hauling or regional routes, this camera covers almost everything you need. What do you think about this one? Let me know in the comments. Number 4 is the Redtiger F7N Touch 4K dashcam, and this thing feels like the smartphone version of a dashcam. The biggest standout here is definitely the touchscreen interface. Instead of fumbling with tiny side buttons while parked at a rest stop, you get a smooth, responsive touchscreen that makes changing settings way easier. It also packs built-in GPS, voice control, parking surveillance, dual-channel recording, and another free 128 GB card right in the box. Compared to the Rove, the Redtiger F7N feels more modern and polished, especially with the cleaner interface and improved glare handling at night. But here's the catch. Once you enable both cameras together, the front resolution drops from full 4K down to 2.5K. Now honestly, most drivers probably won't notice a massive difference during regular driving, but compared side by side with the Viofo, the nighttime sharpness still isn't quite as strong. The Viofo simply handles difficult lighting conditions better. However, if you love modern tech, touchscreen controls, and quick wireless transfers, the Redtiger F7N is a seriously fun and practical dash cam for everyday trucking and rideshare work. Number 3, we've got another strong Redtiger entry, the F7NP 4K dash cam front and rear. And this one is perfect for truckers who prefer physical buttons over touchscreens. Some drivers actually like having tactile controls, especially when wearing gloves or driving long overnight routes. And that's where this camera really shines. It uses a Sony Starvis 2 sensor with a bright f1.5 aperture, giving you strong daytime footage with solid glare reduction and wide road coverage. It also includes GPS, WDR night vision, super-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and yes, another free 128 GB card included. Compared to the F7N Touch, this version feels slightly more rugged and straightforward. It's less flashy, but maybe more practical for long-haul drivers who just want something dependable. Compared to the Rove, the image processing is a little cleaner overall, especially during bright daylight conditions. But once again, when nighttime driving gets difficult, rain, highway glare, dark backroads, The Viofo still takes the lead with noticeably better HDR balancing and sharper plate recognition. Even so, the F7NP delivers excellent overall value and is probably one of the safest plug-and-play choices for truckers who don't want to mess around with complicated setups. Number 2, we've got something very different. The Fei F9 3-channel dashcam. And if you drive for Uber, Lyft, taxis, or manage cargo where cabin monitoring matters, this camera becomes incredibly interesting. Unlike the others on this list that mainly focus on front and rear recording, the Fei gives you triple camera protection, with front, interior, and rear coverage all at once. That means you're recording the road, your cabin, and the traffic behind you simultaneously. For rideshare drivers or truckers carrying valuable cargo, that extra interior camera can make a huge difference during disputes or theft situations. It also packs GPS, WDR, dual-band Wi-Fi, parking mode, a supercapacitor design, and a free 128 GB card. Compared to the Redtiger and Rove models, the Fei clearly wins when it comes to overall coverage and security. You're simply getting more visibility around the vehicle. However, compared to premium options like the Vantrue N4 Pro or the Viofo A229 Plus, the low-light cabin footage isn't quite as refined. The Viofo still dominates in raw image quality and nighttime clarity. But if total coverage matters more to you than absolute cinematic video quality, the Fei is honestly one of the smartest buys on this entire list, especially for truckers who spend long hours parked overnight or deal with passenger interactions. Number 1 spot is the Viofo A229 Plus dashcam front and rear, and honestly, this camera just feels like it was built for serious drivers. While other dashcams focus heavily on flashy marketing like 4K labels, the Viofo focuses on something that matters way more in real-world trucking: actual, usable footage. And trust me, there's a huge difference. This camera uses dual Sony Starvis 2 sensors with true 2K recording on both front and rear cameras, combined with outstanding multi-exposure HDR processing. The result? Incredible nighttime visibility, cleaner license plate capture, reduced glare, and better overall detail in difficult driving conditions. Compared to the Rove and Redtiger models, the Viofo consistently produces sharper and more reliable footage when driving at night or during heavy rain. And compared to the Fei, it may not offer a third cabin camera, but the image quality is simply on another level. You also get voice control, high-speed Wi-Fi, advanced parking protection, ultra-accurate GPS tracking, and a compact, stealthy design that looks incredibly clean on the windshield. The only downside is that it doesn't include a free memory card like some competitors. But honestly, once you see the footage quality, it's easy to understand why so many truckers consider this one the gold standard for dual-channel dash cams in 2026. So after comparing all 5 dash cams, here's the final verdict. If you want the best budget-friendly value with lots of included accessories, the Rove R2 4K Dual is fantastic. If you prefer modern touchscreen controls and user-friendly tech, the Redtiger F7N Touch is a great pick. If you want a rugged, reliable plug-and-play setup with physical controls, the Redtiger F7NP absolutely delivers. And if maximum vehicle coverage matters most, especially for rideshare or overnight monitoring, the Fei F9 is probably the smartest choice. But overall, when it comes to the best balance of video quality, night vision, reliability, GPS accuracy, HDR performance, and real-world trucking protection, the Viofo A29 Plus takes the crown as the best dashboard camera for truckers in 2026. And that wraps up our countdown of the 5 best dashboard cameras for truckers. Which one would you trust to protect your rig on the road? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future gear reviews and trucking tech updates. And remember, all the links are in the description. Stay safe, keep rolling, and I'll see you in the next one.